Number 12, it's world famous because when you're in my classroom, physical classroom, you hear it. Everyone knows. Take it out. Copy. Well, week number 12, guys, we are flying along. I did some math, and there is only 6 to 7 school weeks left in the semester. Whoa! All right. October 26th to October 30th. What are we learning? 1.32 transformations and symmetry of polynomial function at a glance. I am notorious for allowing second chances. I believe everyone makes mistakes. I've made plenty of mistakes. You guys seen my mistakes in my lessons. I've made mistakes in my personal life, but there are always second chances. There is always hope. All right. 902 News. Help me, internet, help me. I'm going to turn off my camera and go faster. All right, Ecadence is a way for you to get and turn in your work. It is the unofficial grade. Remember, your official grade is in Aries. Your best friend, Khan Academy, is due this week. This Friday at 8 a.m., you need a total of 180 learning minutes. So if you did 120 last time, you only need to do a total of 60 minutes per a month. Last time I told you guys I closed quiz number 4 early, so I updated your grades. I wrote NA for anyone who did not take it or got a score less than a perfect, and if you got a perfect, then I counted it, so that helped you. Something that's new is quiz number 5. It's an Ecadence under assessment 12.5. It's due this Sunday, and you can click on this Google document, and the video is slightly different. It's from my home site for Savannah. So the due dates are different, and the learning management system is different, but essentially it's the same assignment, and there is a class bonus, okay? Give me a thumbs up in your change status if you would like me to drop another low quiz score. Change your status if you want to see another dropping, for me to put into Aries a rule that drops your lowest quiz score. Nobody wants me to do that, huh? You guys aren't changing your status to a smiley face. Well, if you guys want me to add that another rule to air during 5th period, I know you guys are kind of confused about the class, but in the master schedule of things in terms of the whole district, this is 5th period. It's through Ecadence, you guys know that, and click on conferences. And then we also have school tutors. All right, so everything in red, you guys have already turned in. And so this week you're not turning anything, but you're just working on skills practice 1.32. Essential question for week number 12, how can you determine the general behavior of power functions? We're going to now eventually move these power functions, these polynomials. So this week you should be working on 1.31, 1.32, which I'll show you guys in a second. Mandatory though, you should have Khan Academy finished by Friday, October 30th at 8 a.m. And then quiz number 5, that reflection, is going to do Sunday, 11/1, November 1st at 1 p.m. Let's take a look at skills practice 1.32. Alright, so skills practice 1.32, again, I decided to put this on Google Docs so you can make it a little more universal. So you can make a copy, or if you like writing with your tablet, download as a PDF and you can mark it up. And then that way you can actually just create more space that you need. Okay, so there's a couple of videos that you should be watching. Remember, A0 is my new introductory videos. So introductory video number 1 and introductory video number 2, you copy those down into your formula sheets. Now if you can't see those, I actually put in here a PDF of all the formula sheets we have done, and the last one that we're using for 1.32 transformations. Okay, and pretty much you're doing A, Those are solutions. C of x is your parent function. It's cubic to the third power, and then where's that -3? Well, it's in the front. It's on the outside of the parentheses. And there's your video solutions. You're going to get new order pairs, and you're going to graph them one now. And then B, you get introductory video. There's a better picture at the bottom, or a footer of this Google document right there. Tips, you can write this in your formula sheet if you want to. Make observations, identify the letters A, B, C, and D. Perform the flipping across the axes first. Notice those are negative values in the A or the B, so is it flipping over the X or the Y? Perform stretching and shrinking. This is really a multiplying or dividing aspect in your A or B value. And then perform the horizontal and vertical shifts last. Double check your coordinates and then write an equation. So again, you're kind of starting on this left side, and then you're trying to get a graph on the right side. So for example, I noticed that this one flex over the y-axis. That's my first observation. And then I noticed that this point in the origin is being shifted up. Actually, it's not. You see the 3 points, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is being shifted up 2 units, but then it's actually been reflected over the y-axis and the x-axis on that case. So that's the skills practice, and that's week number 12. See you, CVA students.